Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading your data from TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. TikTok allows you to download all of the data it has collected from your account. Everything from the videos you've uploaded to every person you've messaged will be logged. To get access to your data, open TikTok and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three lines button in the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. In Settings, choose Account. Then tap Download your data. Here you can choose between two different file types. Then tap Request Data. It can take a couple of days for the data to appear. You will need to check back to see or check your email for an email notification that your data is ready. Tap the Download Data tab to see the progress of your data request. When it's ready, it will be available to download here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.